Hi, this is your daily dose of business. In this video, we will show you 5 cryptocurrencies that you should consider purchasing in 2022. Be sure to watch till the end. 1. Ethereum. Ethereum is the largest altcoin by a wide margin, with a market valuation of about $200 billion out of the entire $1 trillion in crypto assets. It is a distributed computing network where users can utilize the blockchain to run dApps and host smart contracts, in contrast to Bitcoin, which is regarded as a decentralized currency. Ethereum provides a decentralized platform where developers may experiment with the latest developments in blockchain technology. 2. Binance Coin, or BNB. The Binance Coin is a utility token used on the Binance exchange to pay trading costs and receive trading discounts. Even if you're not using the Binance crypto exchange to make a purchase, you may still use BNB to pay for things like a hotel room. Some have argued that BNB is not as decentralized as competing cryptocurrencies. A further potential threat is the Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC-stated inquiry into whether Binance should have registered BNB as a securities during its ICO with a market worth of $48.8 billion. BNB is unlikely to suffer a collapse similar to Terra Luna's. 3. XRP. Ripple Labs, a digital technology and payment processing company, accepts XRP for use in facilitating currency transfers between various forms of currencies. Although this alternative currency has very cheap transaction fees, it is being challenged legally. The SEC is suing Ripple and 2 of its executives over whether or not XRP should have been registered as a security, while Ripple maintains that XRP is a currency. 4. Cardinal. By eliminating the competitive and energy-intensive problem-solving dimension present in platforms like Bitcoin, Cardinal was an early adopter of the proof-of-stake consensus method, which speeds up transaction time. Cardinal is a pioneer in the field who pioneered the way for proof-of-stake consensus techniques. Compared to other blockchain solutions, ADA is a blockchain system that promises reduced fees with improved degrees of security. 5. Solana. Solana is a blockchain platform that uses an novel proof-of-stake and proof-of-history technique to execute transactions rapidly and securely, making it ideal for use in powering decentralized finance, apps, and smart contracts. As one of the quickest blockchains available, Solana is a serious contender, although it has been criticized for being excessively centralized and having few validating nodes in comparison to Ethereum. Thanks for watching the video. Leave a like and a comment if you found the video useful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more great content.